Hi friends, good morning friends. Today, second day, core foundation to read. Core foundation of generative AI. Okay, today is the second topic. Please listen very carefully. Today's topic is what is machine learning? What is machine learning? Okay, this is very important concept. If this is not clear, you will get confused in AI. Okay, first understand one thing clearly. I will share the screen. Very important topic. Please listen very carefully. Second topic. What is machine learning? Learning from data. Why rule failed? Rules failed. Why rules failed? Okay. 1 minute. It's clear. Okay. Machine learning. First understand one thing clearly. One thing clearly. Machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence. See, what machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence. It is not separate. Now, first question. What is machine learning? Listen carefully. Machine learning means teaching machines to learn from data and improve automatically instead of writing fixed rules. Machine learning means teaching a machine to learn from data and improve automatically instead of writing fixed rules. Okay, I repeat again. Instead of writing rules, we give data. Machine learns from that data. This is key idea. Okay. Now, why do we need machine learning? Why can't we use rules? Why can't we use rules? This is very important. Many students get confused. Earlier, we used rule-based systems. Earlier, we used rule-based systems. Okay, rule-based systems. What is rule-based system? Programmer writes rules manually. Programmer write rules manually. Example: if marks greater than 90, then first class. If marks between 60 and 90, then second class. This works for simple problems, but listen carefully. It works for simple problems. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Real world problems are not simple. They are complex. They are complex. They are changing. They are changing continuously. They are changing continuously. So rules fail. Why rules fail? Because too many conditions, too many exercises, exceptions. Retail changes every day. Reality reality also changes every day. You cannot write rules for everything. This is the main problem. This is the main problem. Now comes machine learning approach. Machine learning approach. Now covered. Machine learning approach. In machine learning, do not write rules. We give examples. We give past data. Machine machine studies the data. Machine finds machine finds patterns. Machine gives output. Machine studies data. Machine finds patterns. Machine gives output. Example, spam email detection. Spam email detection. Can you write rules for spam emails? Today, spam looks one way. Tomorrow, tomorrow, it looks different. So, rules fail. But machine learning works. But machine learning works. Why? Because it learns from past spam emails. It improves when new data comes. It improves when new data comes. Same with traffic prediction. Same with recommendations. Okay. Now, real life examples. First, real life examples. First example. First example. Email spam detection. Email spam filter. It checks past spam emails. Past spam emails. It checks. It learns patterns. Then it predicts whether a new email is spam or not. Then it predicts whether a new email is spam or not. Second example. Second example, YouTube recommendations. YouTube recommendations. You watch some videos. YouTube stores that data. It learns your interest. It learns your interest. It recommends similar videos. Okay. You watch some videos. YouTube stores that data. Stores that data. It learns your interest. It recommends similar videos. Third example, online shopping apps. Online shopping apps. You buy some products. App remembers your orders. It suggests related products also. This is machine learning. Okay. Now understand the flow. Very, very important for exams. Simple flow. Very, very important for exams. Data. Data is converted into training, training, data to training to pattern learning to prediction, data. I repeat me. You repeat after me. Okay, you repeat after me. Data, come on, data, training, next, training, next, pattern learning, pattern learning, next, prediction. Okay, without data, no machine learning. Without data, no machine learning. More data means better learning. More data means better learning. Better learning means better prediction. Better learning means better prediction. Okay. Better learning means better prediction. Now, exam questions. Question number one. What is machine learning? What is machine learning? Answer. Machine learning is a method where machines learn from data and improves their performance without being explicitly programmed. Okay, machine learning is a method where machines learn from data and predict improve their performance without being explicitly programmed. Okay, next question. Why machine learning instead of rules? Why machine learning instead of rules? Answer. Because because real world problems are complex, dynamic, and cannot be solved using fixed rules. Because real world problems are complex, dynamic, and cannot be solved using fixed rules. Okay. Now, common confusion. Now, common confusions. Machine learning is not a machine learning is an machine learning is not rule based coding, not rule based coding. Machine learning does not think like humans. Machine learning does not think like humans. Machine learning learns. Machine learning learns only from data. Only from data. Better data gives better results. Now, most important line. Most important, very, very important line. If you remember only one line, remember, remember this. Remember this line. Machine learning equals learning from data. Machine learning equals learning from data, not writing rules. I repeat again. Learning from data, not writing rules. Now, quick self check question. Machine learns machine learning learns from rules. Yes or no? You tell me. Machine learning learns from rules. Yes or no? No. No. Okay. Next question. Machine learning improves when more data is given. Machine learning improves when more data is given. Yes or no? Yes. Yes. Okay. Second topic. That's all, friends. Uh, this is the regular notes. Day 2, write machine. What is machine learning? Learning from data. Why rules failed. Concept in one line. Machine learning ML. Machine learning is ML means teaching a machine to learn from data and improve automatically instead of writing fixed rules. Why this concept is important? Real world problems change frequently. Writing rules for everything is not possible. Machine learning. Machine learning is the base of AI systems. Okay, key points to remember. Machine learning is a part of AI, artificial intelligence. Machine learning learns from past data. ML improves with more data. Improves with more data. No need to write fixed rules. No need to write fixed rules. Okay, not allowed. ML finds patterns in data. ML finds patterns in data. ML is used in prediction and recommendations. Why rules failed? Very important. Rules rule based approach. Old system. Programmer writes rules manually. Works only for simple problems. Example, if marks is greater than 90 first class, fails when condition becomes complex. Become complex. Machine learning approach new style. Machine learning approach new style. Machine learning from machine learns from examples. Condi- handle complex and changing data. Handles complex and changing data. Example, spam email detection, traffic prediction. Reality changes. Rules break. Data learning works. Data learning works. Simple daily life examples. Email spam filter. Learns from past spam emails. YouTube recommendations. Learns from watch history. Only online shopping apps suggest products based on past orders. Okay. Simple flow. Easy to remember. Data is to training. Training to pattern learning to prediction. Interview or exam point of view. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a method where machines learn from data and improve their performance without being explicitly programmed. Why machines learning instead of rules? Because real world problems are complex, dynamic, and cannot be solved using fixed rules. Next, common confusion to avoid. Common confusion to avoid. ML is not rule based coding. ML does not think like humans. ML learns only from data. Better data gives better results. One line to remember, very important. Machine learning equal to learning from data. Machine learning equal to learning from data, not to writing rules. Not to writing rules. Quick self check for students. ML learns from rules. ML learns from rules. Yes or no? No. ML improves when more data is given. ML improves when more data is given. Yes or no? Yes. That's all for today, friends. This is the foundation of machine learning. Thank you.